Let's see more about zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, order of reaction is 0. So only the name zero order reaction. Examples for this zero order reactions are decomposition of ammonia on hot platinum surface, that is heated platinum surface, that is 2NH3 gives N2 plus 3H2. Rate equation for this reaction can be written as rate equal to K into concentration of reactant, that is NH3 to the power 0. See, power is 0, so order equal to 0. And concentration of NH3 to the power 0 equal to 1. Why? Because any number to the power 0 is 1. So this term will be equal to 1. K into 1 equal to K. So rate equal to K. What this equation indicates? This equation doesn't contain concentration term. So rate or speed for zero order reaction is independent of concentration of the reactants. That is, rate is independent of concentration of reactant. Independent means whatever may be the concentration, it may be 2 mole, 3 mole, 4 mole of the reactant, rate of the reaction always remains same. For zero order reaction, rate is directly proportional to 0th power of the concentration of the reactants. See this equation. Rate is directly proportional to 0th power of concentration of reactant, that is NH3 here. So for zero order reaction, order of reaction is 0, and this is an example for zero order reaction. Rate is independent of concentration of the reactants and rate is directly proportional to 0th power of the concentration of the reactant. Let's see some more examples for zero order reaction. Thermal decomposition of HI on gold surface. Thermal decomposition means on heating HI on gold surface, HI will decompose into H2 plus I2, that is 2HI gives H2 plus I2. Rate equation for this reaction is rate equal to K into concentration of reactant, that is HIF to the power 0. See, the power is 0, so rate equal to order equal to 0. Some of the enzyme catalyzed reactions and reaction which occur on metal surface are examples of zero order reaction. Let's see more. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.